Well, we finally got the motor installed, and I had it installed once, only to find out that I had the power pickups backwards, and they were not easy to remove and not easy to rearrange. But here it is. We now are able to test it in DC. So let's see what we got. Got good slow speed. That 266 can do good slow speed. What we don't have yet is weight in this thing. Sounds pretty decent compared to what it did when we first started. Oh, that's what I mean by we need weight there. The boiler is pretty decent weight. That's as fast as she goes. That's it. Well, in DC. In DCC, we're going to get access to about 4 more volts or so. And we'll be able to give it a little more. Okay. I kind of think that track back there might be a little bit on the dirty side. Hasn't been cleaned in years, so maybe we ought to do that. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got. Okay, so we've got 266 in there. Wired just like this. And because we're using the silicone tube, we really needed this extra torque that this thing has. Got the clicking noise out. That's all good to go. Now we just need to make sure there's enough weight. Those spring-loaded pickups need weight on top of them. We're going to have to build in the firebox here the log crib. So I asked a friend who knows a lot about how these things were. Apparently there'd be a log wall around the outside so they could stack logs taller. And they were logs. This is what we took out of there. It's not that. So we're going to try and build a log crib. I'm going to go get a tree branch and I'm going to make some logs and make a little crib and then stack logs over the top of this. And then our decoder, this DZ123, is going to be about right there. Now I do the trick, but now it works in DC. Wiring the DCC is super easy. There's no light function or anything, so we don't have to worry about that. And then we'll get a little bit of glass in the cap. And I think I'll go ahead and I will line this with some lead weight. There is room for that. And this thing needs all the weight it can get. And then it's pretty nice. All of these gears and things right here, they work. They totally work, and you can watch them operate. A little bit of red lithium took care of that. And now we get a little weight into this thing. We're ready to roll. Looking pretty good. So we're back on track.